Hello, I'm Carl Mills, and today, in this video, I will be demonstrating putting in the purfling, grooving it out, mitering, and also putting bee stings on. I hope you enjoyed this video. One piece of advice: when working with the purfling, work slowly and accurately as you can. On the top plate, the purfling is set 3.5 millimeters from the edge. You must ensure that you have a concentric shape all the way around the edge, because any dip or irregularity in that shape will cause a deviation in the purfling. I use a radius sander to go around and make sure that I have no high spots on either the top plate or the back plate. Once that's ready, take a compass, set it to 3.5 millimeters, and slowly trace around the perimeter of the instrument. Hold your compass square to the center of the instrument as you go around. The same process will be repeated with the back plate. I'll lay out the purfling for the back plate. The back plate is 5.5 millimeters from the edge. Here I have completed laying out the purfling on both the top and the back plate. Top of the back plate near the neck button, you must extend that line by hand. In the next step, I will be routing the groove for the purfling on both the top and the back plate. On the corners, I extended it out, and I have to decide whether or not to put a bee sting in. A bee sting is just a little extra piece of material, purfling, that sticks above and makes a point. Or you can just miter the two together and have them come together right at that point. The bee sting always follows from the lower bout upward, upper bout downward, pointing toward the end of the corner. Here is a purfling groove marker cutter. You adjust the height of the blade from your post to the dimension of the purfling groove inside line. Mark it and then adjust your height again to the outside line of the purfling and then mark it. You then have two marked lines, and with your chisel and knife, proceed to remove the excess material in between the two marked lines. Another way of doing that is with a router guide and a Dremel tool with a downcut spiral bit of the proper size for your purfling. Using the Purfling chisel, clean out the groove you just cut to make sure there is no excess material left inside the Purfling groove. I'll be installing the Purfling. The first step, after I've cleaned out all the slots, is to cut a 45-degree angle on the edge of the purfling. Start by installing it in the center bout and move up until it stops. Working your way around slowly, press it into the slot. Your slot should be sized so that the purfling will go in snugly. You don't want a loose fit. A loose fit in the purfling will cause buzzing later on if it's not filled and installed correctly. Use the heel of the chisel to press it in to the slot. Once you got it in and you're close to the other side, you need to make another cut. A 45-degree angle cut in this area right here. That is so the purfling will blend together with the upper bout and lower bout purfling right here.